Good morning, travel buddies. I'm Cassie with Digert Travel Unlimited, here to show you what I've packed to get ready for our 3-month excursion in Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. And I'm very proud that I was able to shove everything I needed to bring into a carry-on and a personal item. So if you'll look, this is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane, which is my favorite new Paka sweater, which holds the heat and it's also cooling. And then leggings and sneakers, comfortable sneakers. In the carry-on, I was able to pack, luckily it's warm over there, so I only needed shorts, skirts. I probably got like 8 to 10 pairs of shorts or skirts, 3 dresses, 4 bathing suits, and 12 t-shirts. So I was very proud of that, and my pajamas. Then on my personal item, I think this is very key to have your noise canceling headset, especially because Brian snores. So this will be very handy, and a nice sleep mask. But they say that you should use noise canceling on the airplanes because I think the noise from the plane supposedly makes you more tired. I don't know, I read that. And then this is a very key item to have transparent bags to pack. This is just medications and electronics. And this is going to be for going to sleep. I'll have everything all handy. Waking up, I got my contact lens case, my deodorant, my toothpaste. Let's see what else. And nice Sudoku. And an extra outfit for when we get there, shorts and a t-shirt. And then we did research to see the size of your personal items, and it's much smaller than anything that I owned. So I actually had to purchase this backpack because it's only supposed to be 10 inches across and 17 inches high. I was able to do it. So we're very excited. Oh, this is probably the most daunting task, was to get your liquids into 2 quart bags. You're only allowed to have 1 per person, so 1 for me. And then I limited Brian, he's only allowed to have a few things, and I put the rest of my stuff in his bag. So there you go. We're very excited, and please tune in. We'll be posting videos as we go.